有諗，
Say it again， 有諗，
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 有諗。
靚仔有諗啊！這是一大早啊，這個老三呢是最後一個要去上學的，8點20去做校手。We hiccup, right? Do you need some water? No? 係啊，打嗝，我哋白話喊做打嗝，佢哋英語喊做咩？阿婆，我教你講英語喎，英語喊做 hiccup。哎喲 ，Popo speak English 。打嗝打嗝，講啊！你睇見佢隻電話嘛？
睇見啊！
佢老豆。
佢老豆就啲咁嘅條件啊！
老豆買隻老人機俾佢係嘛？
就係啲咁嘅條件嘛。
Hey, so do you like your new phone?
係啊，不過我嘅10歲人咪買啲雞嘅好穩嘅啊嘛，打隻電話。
係啊。
係啊。
佢一開頭係向我，佢一開頭呢講媽媽過生日啊，向我買隻蘋果機俾佢。
幾時過生日啊？
佢仲有半個月呢。
我咁 Popo 翻嘅嚟呢？
我哋提前今個週末嘛，出去食餐飯食蛋糕嘛。
哎呀，咪閪使提前。
係咁啊？
係啊。
講啊！我本時講買隻蘋果機俾佢，已經答應佢啦喎。今日嚟，佢隻老豆打電話俾我講，興佢冇得使咁靚嘅嘢，就買一隻老人機呢。而家使就係老人機啊。反正打電話揾得見記得個。
係對啊。
阿隻細啊係最似老豆啊，係嘛？食齊過早禮啊、漱口禮啊、梳頭禮啊，準備去學校啊。阿公喺啲做咩？
煮麵條。
哦，煮麵條，食過早位，陣間我哋去游泳嘛。游泳喎。去健身，去游水喎。去一隻地方喊做咩？你仲記得嘛？窮鬼健身房。
窮鬼健身房，我諗住你邀我講英語，邀做咩健身房
？YMCA 喊住啊。美國啊，我們去健身的那個地方，我帶我爸媽去健身那個地方，好多美國人都說叫窮鬼。You want me to call you?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let me call you. 好多人都說那個 YMCA 叫做窮鬼健身房，笑死我了。便宜啊。
I said it so I can hear your call.
I'm calling you. Mommy calling you. So make the noise. Let me text you. Let me text you and see if you can get my text message. 其實呢隻健身房都唔係好條件差啊，嗬，樣樣都得。佢係點？
總係啲老年人，所以人哋叫佢窮鬼健身房。
喂，我見你總係啲退休老嘢係咪？我見你放啲頭髮落嚟，顯得加靚女呢嚇。
哎呀，啱有梳啊，頭啊濕齊。
梳冇梳都係靚女，拋冷拋冷。
冇要求靚。
咁要求咩？
要求佢行得食得都偷笑喎。
飲得食得，白酒飲半斤，紅酒飲2瓶。哎呦，邊個夠你做啊，阿姐？
你有咁多嘅你飲？
我有嚟我啲得啊嚇！喂，準備仲有10日8日得刑滿釋放嘅喎，翻去嗲2個月又再嚟過喎，再來姑係咪啊？阿隻細啊唔識聽，隻細啊連中文唔識聽，你咪使講佢識聽白話。
唔識嘅，識啊。
佢係啲自己耍嘅啲老人機，講翻去嗲2個月，咪要迴避我啲問題就得呢。翻去旅遊2個月，嗲啦又再嚟過喎。
坐飛機耍下兩
份
錢啊，
要錢，但係而家啲機票
機票嚟喺屋企食嘅飲喎。
慢慢搣得。
唔係咩？
咁我把啲機票錢折現俾你呗，折先嚇。
而且飛嚟飛去又危險。
哎呦，坐飛機係最安全嘅咯。
最安全啦。
啲咁嘅嘢你咪要迷信，坐飛機係全世界最安全嘅交通工具。
Call me now.
Do I need to call you again? I'm calling you.
You're calling me right now?
Here, let me call you again. 我哋隻仔靚仔得嚇，我不接受反駁啊！我想說的就是，其實我本來就是很低調的，但是我兒子真的是長得好帥啊！現在不容許我們低調了，靚仔。
Well, Why is it not letting me?
又靚仔又大隻，仲估大過我。
It's not letting me answer.
其實佢生得有啲似你喎。
阿仔話聽日有成米9都有差不多喎。而家都高過我。
大個仔啦，準備11歲啊。
準備11歲。
It's not letting me answer.
Okay, hey. So your birthday's coming. What do you want for your birthday?
Well, I'm going to Captain Mark.
Okay, that's Daddy's gift.
So.
You can have some gift from Mommy too.
Phone. I'm just kidding.
You got a phone.
A birthday cake and
A birthday cake.
Galveston.
Well, you going to Galveston with Daddy. Mommy can take you somewhere else. You want a bike? You want a game? You want a Steam gift card?
I want both.
You want both? Yeah. What kind of bike you like?
Literally like I want a good bike, you know.
Uh-huh. Then where are you going to?
You remember that one place that I got my bike from?
The $10,000 bike?
Wait, it was $10,000?
It was $10,000. That's some professional bikes.
Which one?
I don't know. I remember the cheapest one was $8,000 or $9,000, and the decent one cost about $10,000. Above that.
Well, what bike can I get?
Well, I'm thinking about more like Walmart or Target. Those like, you know, not cheap, $200-300, but functional.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you.
有諗 In
In
Chinese, hey, in our hometown language,
I want a bike that rides smoothly, not like that other bike that had me pushing down on the pedal like so hard. You know what I mean?
okay, we can get you a new bike. But here, let Mommy teach you something, okay? When you sneeze in America, people will tell you, bless you, right?
Yeah.
You know what we say in China?
What?
Especially in our hometown? When you sneeze, we will tell you, 有諗. Can you repeat that?
Yao Nam.
Say it again. 有諗.
Yao Nam.
有諗.
Yao Nam.
靚仔有諗啊，那個前途無量啊。
這個玩呢？
耶！